Right, so I'm making a small window to put in front of this enclosure. This is just basically a test run. I want to make sure that all the techniques work before I start doing a final cast and pour and everything. You can see I've got my trusty silicon mold over here. I got this at local supermarket. It's a silicon bread tin or something like that. And so that's silicon. Now I know that silicon is used in industrial concrete molding, so hopefully we'll be able to use the same thing to do some DIY concrete molding. So in the box, basically what I'd like is a small window at the front with a character display behind it, so we can give some status information when you put your RFID card on it. So I'm going to try and use a bit of this 8mm Perspex scrap that we've got laying around, tons of it. We've got literally half a ton somewhere. But we've got tons of it laying around for use with a laser cutter. So in this test pour, I'm going to stick a little scrap of that in the front of it. Another great tool we got here at the Hackspace, our hacked up bandsaw. We've got an excellent Dyson that was donated to us that we hacked into a dust extraction system for it, so hopefully that should keep everything all nice and clean. This was donated, so was the vacuum cleaner. You know, we've got a wood and a metal blade for the bandsaw, you know, and we can always show you how to use it, or you know, you can use that when you come down. Start here. And the bandsaw with the wood blade on it just cuts through that Perspex like a hot knife through butter. You can see it's not a clean cut, but it's good enough. If you want to do a more accurate cut, you can obviously use a laser cutter, but then you do a drawing in the software and it takes time and blah blah blah. For a quick test like this, all I need is a little piece, so there we go. Now I'm going to put it right in the bottom of this mold here, and what I'm going to do is just stick that right there. Not even worry about masking it or anything, because it's got the blue stuff that you can see on it. And just put a few strands of this wire that I've chopped off beneath it, sort of staggered, and that should hopefully help to make the concrete nice and strong when we do go ahead and pour that to get a mold cast in this bread tin. Back in a sec.